Hey, if you've ever tried affiliate marketing and felt like you're shouting into the void, you're not alone. Most people spend money on ads, get little to no results, and eventually give up. But what if I told you there's a way to get highly targeted traffic for free using Reddit and actually turn that traffic into real affiliate commissions? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write Reddit posts that convert and how you can use a tool like Reddify AI to speed up the entire process without sounding spammy or getting banned. Let's dive in. First, let's address the biggest mistake people make on Reddit. They treat it like Facebook or Instagram. They post something like, "Hey guys, check out this amazing product," and boom, ignored, downvoted, or worse, banned. Reddit users are smart. They don't want to be sold to. They want real experiences, honest opinions, and helpful insights. So, if you want conversions, you need to blend in before you stand out. Step 1. Start with a real problem. The best converting Reddit posts always begin with a relatable situation. For example, struggling to get clients as a beginner freelancer? Or, "I tried 5 email tools and here's what actually worked." See the difference? You're not selling, you're starting a conversation. This is exactly where Reddify AI can help. Instead of guessing what to write, you can feed it high-performing Reddit posts in your niche, and it learns the structure that already works. Step 2. Tell a story. Stories convert, period. Instead of listing features, talk about your experience. For example, "I wasted 3 months trying different tools and nothing worked until I found this one method that finally got me results." Now people are curious. They want to know what happened next. Reddify AI helps here by analyzing storytelling patterns from viral posts and recreating that flow so your content feels natural, not robotic. Step 3. Deliver real value before mentioning your affiliate link. This is critical. Give tips, share insights, break things down. For example, what didn't work, what you learned, what others should avoid. By the time you mention your product, readers already trust you. And when you finally say something like, "This is the tool I ended up using," it feels like a recommendation, not a pitch. Step 4. Keep the promotion subtle. Don't drop your link aggressively. Instead, say something like, "If anyone's interested, I can share what I used." This invites engagement. People will comment, they'll ask questions, and that's where conversions happen. Some tools like Reddify AI even help automate responses and follow-ups, but you should always make sure your replies feel human and genuine. Step 5. Focus on the right subreddits. Not all communities are created equal. You want active discussions, relevant audience, and communities that allow value-based sharing. Instead of wasting hours searching, tools like Reddify AI can help identify where your target audience already hangs out. Now, here's the truth. Can you automate everything and make money overnight? No. But can you use smart tools, proven structures, and consistent posting to generate real affiliate income from Reddit? Absolutely. So, here's your action plan. Start by researching 5 to 10 top posts in your niche. Break down how they're written. Use that structure to create your own version. And if you want to speed things up, experiment with tools like Reddify AI to help you generate ideas and content faster. At the end of the day, Reddit rewards authenticity. If you focus on helping people first and selling second, you'll stand out, and your conversions will follow. All right, thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more real strategies on affiliate marketing and AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.